Hello there. Welcome back to Grade 12 Business Studies. In this video, we want to look at a common test of March 2023, and we are going to look at section A of that question paper. And we're going to start on the section of multiple choice. And our question reads: various options are provided as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the answer and write only the letter A to D next to the question numbers. That is from 1.1.1 to 1.1.5. And then I will given how to present it in your answer book. Then on the first part of the question, it reads that this act set minimum requirements or standards for the employment contract. So we're given various options that we're given there, but you'd see that the correct option that we have is C. That is the Basic Conditions of Employment Act 1997, Act 75 of 1997. So you'd see that the BCEA Act 75 of 1997 revolves around the motive behind the BCEA, which is to give effect to the rights to fair labor practices. So basically, that's what we have on the first question. Then we go to the second question, 1.1.2. The purpose of an interview is to, but we know that an interview is a structured conversation where one participant asks questions and the other provides answers. So basically, that's the explanation in terms of an interview. Then our question is requiring the purpose of an interview. So according to the responses that we are given there, you'd see that if you go to D, becomes the correct response that what we have evaluate the skills and personal characteristics of the applicant. So we have a D as the correct response. Then 1.1.3 reads Smith Limited always act in a way that is consistent with what society and individuals think are good values. This is known as, we have key ways that we have there that can lead us to the answer. The statement reads, Smith Limited act in a way that is consistent with what society and individuals think are good values. So the essence of determining what are good values can lead us to the answer of ethical behavior. Remember the explanation that we have on ethical behavior, that ethical behavior is the ability to see what is right or wrong. So basically, that's what we have. So we have got ethical behavior as our correct response that we have there. So going on to the next question, which is now 1.1.4. The role of sitters is to. So we have got also various options that we are given there. Then we try to see which one is the most appropriate according to the given. So you'd see that the correct response that we have there is to oversee training in different sectors of the South African economy. So remember, the role of sitter again is basically defined as to collaborate with other education and training quality assurance. So we'll see that the sitter is there for collaboration with other educational and training quality assurance. So this makes our B to be the correct answer that we have according to the response given. Then we go to 1.1.5. BQ boutique used dash as a suitable source to conduct internal recruitment. So basically, internal recruitment is the process of filling job openings within a company by considering current employees who might be suitable fit for these roles. So basically, that's the explanation that the explanation that we have in terms of internal recruitment. So our question is saying a big Q boutique use the dash as a suitable source to conduct internal recruitment. So we have various options that we have there. So which one is suitable for internal recruitment? As we are saying, when we are doing internal recruitment, we are considering current employees who might be suitable for the job. So basically, you see that the most appropriate that we have there is C, business notice, because we are only concerned by the internal employees that we have. So that's what we have on the multiple choice section. So we'll go to the next section that we have, which is 1.2. It reads, choose a description from column B that matches the term in column A. Write down the correct alphabet only. For example, A to J next to the question numbers. So you are given how to present it in the answer section. So column A, the first term that we have is overtime, but we know that overtime is the term that we have that is above the normal time. So basically, we try to see according to responses that we are given which one matches overtime. So if you go to D, workers cannot work more than over 10 hours over 10 per week. So basically, that's the response that we have that is most appropriate to the term overtime. So we have D is the correct response. Then 1.2.2, we've got force field analysis. But force field analysis identifies and analyzes the driving and restraining forces that influence a change initiative. So basically, that's the explanation of force field analysis. So within that context, we can now go to column B to see which explanation do matches at that. So we go down. We have G, which is saying summary of factors supporting and opposing a business solution. So basically, we have G, which is appropriate. Then we go to problem solving. We go again to our column B to try to see which one is most appropriate according to problem solving. So if you go to J, alternative solutions are generated and critically evaluated. So that's problem solving. So you've got J. The next one, we've got national skills development strategy. National skills development strategy. So its essence is to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the skills development system. So basically, that's what we have in, for national skills development strategy, which is abbreviated as NSDS. So according to that, now let's try to see in column B which one do matches that. So if we go to our H, it is improve social development through economic development. So we have H being the appropriate response that we have. Then lastly, we have got pension funds. So our pension funds becomes the last that we have. And we try to see again column B, which one do matches pension fund. So if we go to E, the fringe benefit offered by businesses to its employees. So this becomes the correct response that we have. So this is what we have, guys, about this video. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come.